Struggling with your skincare routine? Here's what they don't tell you about achieving flawless skin. Hey everyone! If you're looking for the best beauty tips to keep your skin glowing and healthy, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into essential skincare tips that will transform your routine. And don't forget to check out our website, linked in the description, for detailed product reviews and more beauty insights. Teenage years can be tough on your skin. Hormonal changes can lead to oily skin, acne, or dryness. Finding the right skincare routine can feel overwhelming, but it's crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Understanding your skin type. First things first, identify your skin type. Whether it's oily, dry, combination, or sensitive, knowing your skin type helps you choose the right products. Cleansing tips. Cleansing is the foundation of any skincare routine. Use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. For oily or acne-prone skin, look for cleansers with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. Remember, cleanse twice a day with lukewarm water. Sun protection. Sun damage can cause premature aging and dark spots. Always wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outside, and consider wearing a hat or using an umbrella for extra protection. Moisturizing. Keeping your skin hydrated is key. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. For oily skin, go for a lightweight, oil-free option. Dry skin benefits from a heavier, cream-based moisturizer. Don't forget to moisturize after cleansing and applying sunscreen. Exfoliating. Exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Use a gentle exfoliator suitable for your skin type. You can even make your own scrub with sugar and honey. Lip care. Don't neglect your lips. Apply lip balm before bed to prevent dryness. Exfoliate your lips gently after brushing your teeth.
Consistency is key. Stick to your routine. Consistency is crucial for seeing results. Avoid changing products too often to prevent breakouts. If you have persistent skin issues, consult a dermatologist. Now that you have these essential tips, it's time to put them into action. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it might take some trial and error to find what works best for you. To recap, understanding your skin type, cleansing properly, protecting your skin from the sun, moisturizing, exfoliating, and taking care of your lips are all vital steps in your skincare routine. Consistency is key to achieving and maintaining healthy skin. Don't forget to visit our website for more beauty tips and product reviews. Subscribe to our channel for more skincare secrets and beauty hacks.